Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the sounds on the Hayday application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen and that's my phone. You click to the three line at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the second button, the settings. Here you can find the second option, the sounds, and if you want to disable, just click to the on button, and if you want to enable, just click to the off and on, and so you can hear the sound effects when you play. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Yeah, I have chickens, bakery, and a cute house. So